Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these spring floral nails using the China Glaze arrangement collection. I just think all of these shades are so pretty for spring and I wanted to do a floral design with them. So I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. Now I'm taking a sheer white nail polish and painting 2 coats of that on all of my nails. You can honestly do as many or as few coats of this base as you'd like, just until your desired opacity, but I think 2 coats was just sheer enough for this design. Now I'm taking Show 'em, which is this light neutral green, and I'm painting a vine coming from the bottom of my nail. So using my detail brush, I'm painting one long line up my nail and then painting some leaves on each side. Now I'm taking There She Rose, which is a medium pink acrylic polish, and I'm putting a dot of that on one side of my nail for the base of a flower. Then I'm taking Lavender and a dotting tool, and I'm putting 5 dots in a little circle to create a smaller flower. Then using Good as Marigold and a dotting tool, I'm creating a line of dots right next to the vine. Then with Saved by the Bluebell, I'm painting some petals around the flowers and around the edges of my nail. Now I'm taking Senora Flora and making some messy C shapes on top of that flower I painted before, just to add some detail to the flower. And lastly, I'm going in with Hydrangea Danger, and I'm adding some light blue flowers and details here and there just to fill in any empty space. Finally, I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys like it. It's super delicate and pretty for spring, and I really like the way this one turned out. If you want to see more pictures and read more, you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.